Hey guys, welcome back to English language classes brought to you by O3 School's JAMB app. So we'll continue with our consonant sounds. We said there are 24 consonant sounds in English language. We've been taking them two at a time. So our sounds for today are this sound and this sound. As usual, one is a voice consonant, the other is voiceless. That means in pronouncing the voice consonant, there is vibration of the vocal cords. So let's quickly look at these two sounds. How are they pronounced? How do we recognize them in words? So this is the voiceless sound, while this is the voiced sound. So you're starting with the voiceless consonant sound here. This sound is pronounced sh, sh. Pronounce the sound sh. There's no vibration anywhere. So up first, we find the sound in words with letter S. Examples, we have sugar. The S there, pronounced as sh, not s. So this is not sugar, but sugar. We have sure. We have words like tension, mansion, ensure. So the S in these words contain these voices consonant sound sh, as in sugar, sure, tension, mansion, ensure. This sound is also contained in words containing letter C. Good example, we have ocean, the C here, special. You can hear the sh sound, special, social. Words like ancient, precious, official. Words containing letter C can also carry this sound. We also find it in words with SH. Example, sheep. The SH there contains the voiceless consonant sound sh. Other examples, we have sharp, we have shirt, shoes. We have words like show, shoot, push, push, crash, polish. Words like childish, she. This word can also be found in words containing CH. Apart from SH, CH in words can also contain this voiceless sound sh. Example, we have chef, champagne. We have machine, mustache, sachet. Other examples, we have chagrin, chauffeur. Words like chassis. This should be double S, sorry. Chassis, non, charlatan, chandelier. So the CH in these words containing the sh, voiceless sound sh. We can also find it in words containing TI. In words can also carry this sound. Example, patience, nation, education. Words like mention, protection. position, friction, friction. Then SS. Apart from S, C, SH, CH, TI, we also have words containing SS like mission, like pressure, the SS in these words. Position, a possession rather, possession. So the SS here is S, but this one is sh, possession, concession. Then we also have it in X, like anxious. These are ways we can recognize the sh sound in words. Words with S, words with C, words with SH, words with CH, TI, SS, X. These letters contain this sound in words. So we can look out for them when we're dealing with this sound. Now to the voice sound, which is pronounced sh. Now this is sh. This is sh. You can see the difference in the pronunciation sound. This contains vibrations when you are pronouncing it, while this one is pretty simpler, easier to pronounce. We also have these words containing letter S. Here we have measure, vision. Other examples we have pleasure, the S, sorry, treasure. Words like usual, casual, not casual, but casual. So you pronounce it. We also have it in words containing letter G. Apart from S, we can still find these words in words, this sound, but I can still find this sound in words containing letter G. Example, beige, massage. This is not massage, but massage, mirage, sabotage. Words like genre. We have regime, gigolo. So not the second G, but the first G, prestige. Then special words for this sound, we have words like equation. Let's see here, seizure, the Z. So that's it for this sound. This is the voice sound, while this is voiceless. These are the ways we can recognize this sound in words, and these are the ways we can recognize this, mostly S, G, and then these special words, equation, seizure. Now for the S, the difference here, especially in words containing ION and URE. Let's compare them using minimal pairs so that the difference will come out better when we're dealing with them. So with our minimal pairs, you'll see, oh, I hope it's finished. So for this, we pronounce it at this sound if the words coming before, that's example, let's say ensure. Here we have insurance. Example, here we have tension. Other examples, let's see, measure, leisure, usual. So in words like this, how we will be able to tell the difference, which one belongs to the voiceless, which one belongs to the voice. You just look at the S. If the sound coming before is a consonant sound, it belongs to the voiceless. But if it's a vowel sound, we group it under the voiced. So that's how we can differentiate it. Look at the sound coming before the S. Here you have vowel sounds. Here we have consonant sounds. Let's look at other examples. Here we have examples like mansion, pension, pressure, extension. Other examples here we have treasure, vision, invasion, decision. We also have pleasure. So check the sound, vowel sounds, vowel sounds, vowel sounds, vowel sounds. While this one you have consonant sounds, consonant, consonant, consonant sounds. So mostly words ending with SION, SURE. So if the letter coming before the S is a consonant sound, we place it under the voiceless sh. While if it is a vowel sound, we place it under the voiced sh. Now let's try and answer some questions on that, on these two vowel sounds. Questions. So here we can have, choose the word that contains the same sound as the given phonetic symbol. Here we have our first question. The sh. So the sound given to us is sh. We'll go through the options to look for the word that actually contains this sound. So here we have equation, addition, decision, treasure. Most times words containing TI fall under this sound. Equation is an exception. So our answer here becomes addition. Here the I coming before the S is a vowel sound. This one is also a vowel sound. So we know it doesn't belong to this voiceless consonant but the voiced. Another example still under this voiceless consonant, we have this. And the last word in the options. So we pronounce the sound first, so we know what we are actually looking for. Shh. Then this is watch, torture, question, tension. So easy to spot that the answer is tension. These words contain different sounds, different from what we're looking for in the question. And then on the voice consonant now, zh. Example we have, so these are the options given to us. We pronounce the sound zh, zh. So we'll now look through the options. This is garbage, ledger, massage, knowledge. So these three words contain a different sound entirely. Why this contains the sound we are looking for, massage. Another example, still on the voiced sound, we have and this. Now, if you don't want to bother pronouncing the words, you can just check where is the vowel sound coming before the ending. So we'll look at it here. Composure. Composure. This one, the S is a consonant sound, the S is a consonant sound, the N too is also a consonant sound. So we know these three words contain the voiceless sound sh and not the voice sh. So we also pick out the odd words. If these words containing these consonant sounds are joined, how do we differentiate them? We pick out the odd words. Let's see examples. Insurance, mansion, pension, invasion. So we can still use the same trick we use here to answer these questions. Just look for the one that has a vowel sound coming before. We know that sound is different. This one here, we have a consonant sound before the S, a consonant sound before the S, a consonant sound before the S. So these three sounds contain the voiceless sh, while this that has a vowel sound before the S contains the voice sh. So it's the odd word out in those group of words. Here we have genre. Sorry, this person don't line anything. On the example, we have forge. Here we have regime. And here we have equation. Our answer here becomes forge. The is absent here. What we have here is j, forge. So that becomes the odd word out. We have another example. So we pronounce, we don't just look for similarities, okay, CH, CH, and then you look for whatever method you use to pick out the odd one here. We pronounce to find out the sound in these words. Here we have shoe, official, charlatan, church. You can see the ch as opposed to in these words. So our answer here becomes church. Here we have shoe, official. The C here contains the sh. The CH here also contains the sh, but it's absent in this word. So this becomes our odd one out. So we'll take one more. Here we have pressure, seizure, leisure, mirage. Our answer here becomes pressure, because here we can find, you can find the in this words, but it's absent in pressure. What we have here is the voiceless sh. So there are many more questions like this from these consonant sounds on the O3 Schools JAMB app. If you haven't downloaded it, do well to download, and you can have more questions to practice and easily master these sounds. Thank you.